Yeah, welcome to On Track Enterprises. This is our napkin vending machine, and it's very simple. It's showing like stock above 75%, means all the rack having napkins, and I set the price as 5 rupee now. So keeping the napkin and all, it's very simple in this. I kept this much napkin inside, so we can keep the napkin like this in this spring slot. We can keep the napkin inside. So totally we can keep 120 napkin in the machine. So it's fully automatic, and I'll show how it works. Like we can take the key, and now the machine is totally locked. So I am going to put 5 1 rupee coins. Okay. Hello. Yeah, now it's working. We can take the napkin from the collecting point. Now only one napkin is remaining in the top, so I am putting 1 5 rupee. So the topmost tray is empty now. The topmost tray is empty, so it's showing below 75% now. So 2 more napkins there in the third tray, so I am putting again 5 rupee. Now we can take the napkin and one more 5 rupee. So it's now 2 rack is empty, so it's below 50% is showing. So I'm putting the 2 rupee coins and 1 rupee, mix it. So this, like this 5 rupee I'm putting, 1 2 rupee, and this 2 rupee, and this small 1 rupee. Now it's 5. Machine is working. We can take the napkin. Now only one napkin is there in the third tray. Okay. So below 25% means only the last tray having the napkin. While running, if you are putting the coin, it will just return. And only one napkin is there in the last tray. Yeah, that also got the napkin. It's there. Yeah, got the napkin. And we'll show whether that now it's showing no stock. Contact the authorized person. Now if you are dropping the coin, it will simply return to our hand itself like this. It won't accept the coin. So I will show whether it's any stock or not. Now machine is completely empty. If we are keeping the napkin, we can keep the napkin fully, and we can reset the machine again, and we can run like this. So napkin keeping like this. So we can fill the entire tray by using the ultra thin napkin, and it's totally sterilized napkin and sealed one. We can keep this kind of napkin, ultra thin napkin, in that machine, and we can run. It's very simple as such. Okay, thank you.